how to fix Instagram story at yours on Android or iPhone. First, open a Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you found your update, just update it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, let's move to the next step. Now go to settings and and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, click force stop, this one for Android phones, and then storage and clear cache. And if that also doesn't fix it, now all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and restart your phone, and then your problem must be fixed. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.